The biggest difference between self-made and ever-struggling people. Life is hard. People struggle through life every day with little to show for their effort. But there is no denying that although many go through seemingly endless struggle, people still grow from rag to riches, from poverty to prosperity. I have known a life of struggle and hardship. As a university graduate, I've had to do odd jobs that are considered beneath my qualification to push through. I have also known success and what it's like to have more than enough. And there are millions of people with similar story, with more joining us every month. Are these people just lucky? Or is there something that can be learned from them? What is the biggest and most common difference between people with such stories of grace to glory and the rest of the population who never get to experience such transition in life? I understand that life happens and that we are not really in control as we would like to think. But we cannot deny that there are life principles that work. And I am going to share with you what I have found in this video. But before we get to it, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to After School TV for more insightful videos like this. Seize opportunities. Here's a simple answer. Success goes to those who have the strength and the presence of mind to seize and make the most of the opportunities in front of them. Everyone has at least a few breakthrough opportunities across their path at some point in their lifetime, but few seem to capture those opportunities and harvest them for all they are worth. In most cases, people don't recognize an opportunity right in front of them. They rather see a problem, a source of amusement, or just something to talk about. But success happens to those who have the strength and the presence of mind to seize and make the most of opportunities in front of them. For example, the first time I realized I had the inclination for selling was when I overheard a movie producer mention that his colleague who was a movie marketer needed a salesperson for a coming trade show. I wasn't the only one that overheard the conversation. I've never done anything like that before then. But since I had no job at the time, I stepped forward and took the opportunity. Some months later, a friend asked me to help find out where he could buy quality jewelries at cheap wholesale prices. My discovery from the research led me to start a jewelry business. This and many such experiences prepared me for my entrepreneurial journey. I've seen similar experience for most people who have built significant success from scratch. They can point to the particular opportunities they seized that set them on the path to success. For one woman who was selling snacks in a small shop, it was the day a young street hawker walked into her shop and asked her to help freeze a sachet water. Seizing that opportunity led her to pivot into water and beverage packaging business that would later be worth millions of dollars. Success happens when the right opportunity is presented to the right person, and that person has the vision and determination to harvest such opportunity. Opportunities meet the right people at the right time frequently. However, very few people have the vision and persistence to capitalize on them. In fact, you can be the right person and still not have the discernment of the opportunities right in front of you. Even successful people miss great opportunities from time to time. For example, in early 2000, Duncan Clark, an investment advisor, was hired to consult for a startup company in China called Alibaba. As part of payment for his service, Jack Ma, the company's founder, granted Duncan the right to buy a few 100,000 shares of the company at just 30 cents per share. But Duncan turned down the offer to become a shareholder of Alibaba. By the current value of the company, if he had seized that opportunity, his little investment of a few $1,000s would have been worth $74 million. So it's not that people who become self-made are masters of spotting every opportunity that comes their way, while everyone else is blind to it. The point is that you don't have to spot and seize a lot of opportunities in your lifetime. One or few opportunities can set you up for greater opportunities and advantages. Let's look at the 3 important conditions necessary for regular people to become self-made. 1. Be the right person. Linda Ikeji is arguably the richest blogger in Africa. From the early stage of her career, she was hungry for success and was ready to put in the work to success in the media industry. When the opportunity for blogging came, she was definitely not the only person that knew about blogging at the time, but she was the right person to seize the opportunity. Being the right person simply means developing your talent, knowing and pursuing your interest, staying hungry for success, and showing up every day. It also means having the right mindset to see problems and obstacles as opportunities. 2. Meet the right opportunity. We all cross paths with a constant flow of opportunities. But people are often not in the right frame of mind to notice these opportunities. They are too consumed with their inadequacies to notice what is going on around them. Another mistake people make is waiting for one big opportunity. What they don't know is that opportunity begets opportunity. One opportunity can open doors to other opportunities. For example, I wouldn't have overheard the movie producer talking about the trade show deal if I didn't take a previous opportunity to be a part of a movie crew. I wouldn't have met someone that told me to start importing jewelries if I didn't start the business with buying them locally. Most times, we don't have control over the opportunities and the frequency of opportunities we come across, but we can increase the odds by showing up in the right places. Here's another example to explain this. Les Brown told the story of getting a job as a T-boy at the radio station. But his goal was to become an on-air personality. He had to show up at a radio station every day until the right opportunity to get on air presented itself. If he was sitting at home and waiting for the opportunity to come, he might still be waiting. 3. Have the vision and determination to milk the opportunity. It's a good step to be prepared and be the right person to meet the right opportunities. But without the vision and determination to make the best of that opportunity, nothing happens. All three conditions must be met, and that is why most people struggle through life. Most people don't just lack the mindset to spot opportunities, they lack the vision and determination to build on them. Success is created when hard work is combined with the right strategy and the right opportunity. We aren't all given the same amount of opportunities, but we're all given enough opportunities to make success out of our lives. But we have to be willing to take smart risks and put in the necessary consistent work. This is what separates wheat from the chaff, and it is what differentiates some self-made person from everyone else that continues to struggle through life. So you have to be the right person by developing your abilities and mindset, but you also have to position yourself and put yourself out there to increase the frequency of the right opportunities that comes your way. And most importantly, you have to have the resolve and vision to make the most of the opportunity. If you found this video helpful, like and share it with someone. If you're yet to subscribe to After School TV, now is a good time to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, your success matters.